Question will be given, find the values of A plus B and A minus B. That is A matrix plus B matrix and A matrix minus B matrix. And given the A matrix will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And B matrix will be 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 5. First we have to check what is the order of this matrix. Then possible to addition and subtraction between two matrices. Now can A matrix given 2 by 3 order due to 2 rows in 3 columns. These are the first row, row 1, the second row, the column 1, column 2 and column 3. So the order of this matrix will be 2 by 3. Second B matrix will be also 2 rows and 3 columns. So also the 2 by 3 order. So our addition will be possible and find the values of A matrix plus B matrix will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1. And how to edit the two matrices? The condition is our matrices having same order and can be added corresponding element with corresponding element. That means the first element can be added with the second matrix first element. The second element can be added with the second element of similarly added. These are that is 1 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 5. Second, second row can be added with the second row up to second matrix. It is 4 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 6 plus 1. That is 8, 10, 8, 6, 8, 7. Similarly, we can subtract up to matrices. A minus B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1. Similarly, we can subtract. First elements of first matrix can be subtracted with the second matrix of first elements. That is, minus B equal to 1 minus 7, 2 minus 8, 3 minus 5. Second row will be 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3 and 6 minus 1. And find the values of A minus B. Now you can study the multiplications of two matrices. We can multiply two matrices is possible if the condition is A matrix will be M by N order will be given and B matrix is given P by Q order. The conditions to multiply A matrix and B matrix if possible, if the condition is the first matrix column, this represent the rows, the first subscript represent the rows numbers And the second subscript denoted the columns number. It is number of columns is the number of rows numbers. Similarly, second matrix B, the first subscript, the first order is P by Q or given order. So the first subscript denoted the number of rows. The second subscript denoted the number of columns. The conditions of two matrix will be multiplied. The condition of two matrix can be multiplied if the conditions is the first matrix column, the first matrix column number of column is equal to second matrix number of rows. That is, the first matrix number of column if equal to second matrix number of rows, then the matrix multiplication is possible. That means number of columns equal to number of rows. That means if n equal to p, then the matrix multiplication is possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. Now you can see the how to multiply two matrix. Our condition is the first matrix number of columns is equal to the second matrix number of rows. If this number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then the matrix multiplication is possible. Taken an examples like as A matrix equal to A, B, C, and a B matrix will be E, F, G, H, I, J. First we have to check what is the order of A matrix and what is the order of B matrix. The A matrix of order 2 by 2 due to the condition the matrix containing 2 rows and 2 columns. And the second B matrix will be containing 2 rows and 3 columns. That is, so the order of B matrix is 2 by 3 order. Since we can check what is the condition to multiply the two matrix. The condition of to multiply the matrix if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So 2 is equal to 2. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Then we can multiply two matrices. How to multiply this you can see. Multiplied with first matrix, first row can be multiplied, second matrix columns, first column, then second columns, then third columns. The row will be multiplied with this second matrix up to ending the columns, then we can multiply it. That means and multiplied will be possible respective element with respective elements. That means A can be multiplied, the first element can be multiplied with first columns, and multiplied will be possible corresponding element with corresponding elements and added simply. That is, A can be multiplied with E. So A cross E automatically plus second first row can be multiplied with the first column. Second element is B can be multiplied with second columns, first columns of second matrix, that is B into H. Similarly, till multiplied will be continuing till ending of the second matrix columns finishings. Like similarly, A can be multiplied with F. Similarly, B can be multiplied with I. Similarly, A can be multiplied with G, and B can be plus automatically plus I. Now you can see the first row can be multiplied with second matrix column wise, corresponding element with the corresponding element. Like as A can be multiplied with the A automatically plus B can be multiplied with H. Now the first column is complete. Again, the first row can be multiplied with second columns. That is, A can be multiplied with the F. A can be multiplied with F plus automatically. B can be multiplied with I. The second column will be completed. Then, similarly, again, the first row of first matrix can be added multiplied with corresponding elements of second matrix third columns. Like A into G plus B into J. Similarly, second row can be multiplied with column wise. Again, C into E automatically plus D into H. Again, C can be multiplied with second columns C into F plus D into I. Again, C into G plus D into J. Now complete the matrix multiplication and we can find the matrix of order 2 by 3. And our answer is AE plus BH, AM plus BI, AG plus BJ, CE plus DH, CF plus DI, CG plus DJ. Complete our matrix multiplications. Now see again how to multiply two matrix and find the letters. Again, A matrix will be 2 by 2 order and B matrix will be 2 by 3 orders. The matrix multiplication will be possible if first matrix number of columns is equal to second matrix number of rows, then matrix multiplication is possible. So we can now multiply the first matrix, first row can be multiplied second matrix of columns till ending the number of columns of second matrix. That is, A and B with the first row of first matrix and E, H, F, I, G, H. E first we can multiply E, H, then multiplied with F, H, then multiplied with G and J. And that multiplied will be possible first with first and second with second. That means A can be multiplied with E and B can be multiplied with H. Again, this can be written as the first row and first columns. And again, this A first row can be multiplied with